We'll guide you through how to import brushes in Krita seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer, and make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Once you're in Krita, go to the top menu and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Resources. This will open a new window where you can see all your current resources like brushes, patterns, and gradients. In this window, look for the Import Bundles/Resources button at the bottom left corner. Click on it, and this will open a File Explorer window. Now you need to navigate to the location on your computer where you've stored the brush bundle files you want to import. Krita uses bundle or RBR files, so make sure your brushes are in the correct format. Once you locate your brush file, select it and click Open. Krita will automatically start importing the brushes. After the import is complete, you can close the Resource Manager. To check if your brushes are successfully imported, go to your brush presets by clicking on the brush icon on the toolbar or pressing the F5 key. Here you should see your new brushes available for use. If you have a large collection of brushes, you can use the search bar in the Brush Presets window to quickly find the brush you need. Remember, you can also organize your brushes into different categories or tags for easier